Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I will introduce my family member. My father name is Asep Nurjaman. He work as a project implementer. My mother name is Mukia. Her activity is trading. I have two older brother and one younger brother which name is Akbar Ramadan, Gumlar, and Rangga. They are my sibling, and I have a sister-in-law and niece. My sister-in-law is named Eva Zulhijjah and nephew named Nasya Al-Naira and Abizal Al-Ghifari. That's all the introduce from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.